If your vehicle is showing a P0135 code, in this video I'll explain what it is and how to go about fixing it. What is a P0135 code? It stands for O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction, bank 1, sensor 1. In simple terms, is that the engine computer is seeing a problem with the heater circuit inside the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1. Oxygen sensors are located on the exhaust and they serve two main purposes. First, they monitor how much oxygen remains after combustion, and the computer uses that information to adjust the air-fuel ratio going into the engine. Second, they have a built-in heater element which helps the sensor warm up faster and allows the system to go into what's called closed-loop operation more quickly, improving efficiency and performance. On V6 and V8 engines, there are two banks. Bank 1 is always the side of the engine that contains the number 1 cylinder. Sensor 1 is the upstream sensor on that bank, located in the exhaust before the catalytic converter. Possible causes of a P0135 code. Some possible causes of this code could be a bad oxygen sensor, a wiring issue like an open or short, or possibly a blown fuse. The first thing to do when you get this code is to locate the bank 1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor. The exact location can vary depending on the vehicle. Some vehicles may only have 2 oxygen sensors, while others can have 4 or even more. Because of that, it's always a good idea to look up a diagram for your specific year, make, model, and engine. It makes finding the correct sensor a lot easier. For example, on a 2007 Toyota Camry with a 3.5-liter V6, bank 1, sensor 1 is located before the catalytic converter. This upstream sensor monitors the exhaust before it reaches the catalytic converter, while sensor 2, the downstream sensor, is located after the catalytic converter. The first thing to do when you locate the bank 1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor is to inspect the wiring thoroughly. Make sure everything is properly connected and that there are no loose connections, shorts, or other issues. Keep in mind that any problem with the wiring, an open circuit, a short, or a bad connection can produce the same symptoms as a faulty sensor, so check carefully. Also, keep in mind that this circuit is usually protected by a fuse, and sometimes a relay as well. For example, on a 2005 Toyota Tacoma, the AF heater fuse is the fuse for the oxygen sensor heater circuit. This vehicle also has a relay, and if either the fuse is blown or the relay has failed, it can cause this code. So be sure to check those as well. If you've gone through everything, checked the wiring, checked the fuses and relay, and everything looks good, then very likely the oxygen sensor itself has failed and needs to be replaced. You can test the sensor if you want to, especially the heater element side, using a multimeter. At this point, the next step is to test or replace the sensor, since it's very likely that the oxygen sensor has gone bad. One thing to note about these oxygen sensors, especially sensor 1, is that they're often recessed down into the exhaust. Because of this, you usually need a special tool to remove and reinstall them, as it allows you to work around the wiring. Sometimes they're more accessible, where an open-end wrench will work, but in many cases this special tool is necessary. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.